So hey guys, I want to do a little update video on the key fob cover. If you remember before I had the real carbon fiber, well now I switched back to this silicone one. You can find these everywhere, of course. But the reason I did that was because when I had it in the carbon fiber case, the walkway feature wouldn't work. So it messes up something with the signal. So when I put my hand on it like this, it really didn't, half the time it wouldn't open. I'd have to get the key fob out of my pocket. So it didn't even think I had the key fob on me. And then of course, when I walked away, as soon as I shut the door, it would do that where it beeps a lot at you, like the key fob's not in range, even standing right next to the car. So it has to do something with the carbon fiber case, messes up the signal. So these standard silicone ones, of course, don't do any of that. Not as fancy, of course, but does a job, protects the key fob. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are going to use the carbon fiber case, the real carbon fiber one, it will mess up the signal. So it was kind of frustrating. I had to get my key fob out just to unlock the car and then lock it and all that kind of stuff. So it was kind of pointless. So I just switched back to the silicone case. So they make fake carbon fiber ones, the plastic. Those won't have a problem with. I've had those before, but I guess the real one messes up the signal. So I wanted to share that with you guys so you guys don't waste your money on that and then find out it doesn't work. So it was a little frustrating, but hopefully that'll save you guys some cash. Okay, so I hope that helps you guys out. I appreciate it. I'll have a video coming up very shortly, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.